Let's talk to Tim Harrison. He's the head of wealth management at Linear Investments. Very good morning to you, young Tim.
Good morning.
Right, the week ahead. What's ticking your boxes this week?
Well, we start again with another merger Monday. Novartis stepping in for another, I say, small pharmaceutical company over the weekend. Just the mere 88% premium to Friday's close,
wow.
Which has started the week in a positive fashion. Obviously, the volatility over the last couple of weeks, couple of months has been inherent, and thus one would hope the week ahead are just a calming down. Political rhetoric, Trump, etc., has caused a lot of anguish and a lot of volatility. So if we can just calm things down and see a reasonably quiet week, I think most fund managers in Western Europe would be quite happy. Yeah, I mean, it's madness. You know, you've seen the Dow, for example, 1,000-point swings daily is becoming the norm. Now, I've been talking to my clients, and the last time I've seen these sorts of moves were when the market was crashing back in sort of the 08-09 period. You know, you were seeing volatility then, but then again, the market's significantly higher. So 1,000 points here and there, it seems a lot, but it's not as much as it was 10 years ago.
Back to the UK market, any big companies reporting this week that you're going to take an interest in?
The only one really to keep an eye on, I suppose, is Tesco.
Yeah.
Obviously, they've got the Booker deal, etc., and it's really a case of whether the retail space is in a good space or a bad space. Obviously, over the last week or two, you've seen a number of retail names really struggling. The likes of Debenhams, the likes of Mothercare are really finding it tough out there.
Yeah.
So the likes of the Tesco's, which is a huge part of the retail space, if they can show some sort of light at the end of the tunnel, then we could see things can, you know, start to improve. The sentiment across the retail space start to look better. However, there are the pretenders, the Aldis, the Lidls, etc., that are really poking at their market share. So it's going to be a tough one for Tesco's, and whether or not they can show a bit of brightness at the end of the tunnel, we'll see later on in the week.
On that note, Tim, thank you very much indeed.